Hey y'all, Amy with Deep in the Art Creations here, and I just wanted to go through my Dollar Tree store haul. They have these cute little pom-pom kits that I thought were adorable for like Valentine's for kids to pass out at school. Or if you're a room mom of your child's class, they're cute little things to give as party favors if you guys do the Valentine's parties and stuff. Anyway, I just thought they were super cute. You get 6 sets to make for dollar 25. Okay, it should be the dollar and a quarter tree store now, but whatever. The other things I got were they had their little Valentine heart candies. I got a couple of these because I'm hoping to do something with the boxes. Crafty, I don't know yet, but we'll see. And also, it's got chocolate. You can't go wrong with chocolate, right? All right, so got those. For crafting, I was excited they had some cute napkins. There's 24 of these in here, and I like to do a lot of decoupage and stuff like that with napkins, so I thought these would be super cute. They also have tissue paper. Now, they've got regular white gift tissue paper, but they have these cute Valentine's ones. Now, I'll be honest, I don't give a lot of gifts at Valentine's time, except to like my husband, my kids, and I don't wrap that stuff. I just give it to them. But when I saw this, I thought, decoupage, absolutely. This is just as good as napkins, if not better. So I thought for, $1.25 could not go wrong. So you will see this in a craft soon, I promise. And I loved that. The other thing I got for crafting that they had was they had Valentine ribbon. So cute. Well, in this one, I can use anytime. I am a sucker for a gingham check all day long. Gingham check, buffalo check, or plaid, any kind of plaid. I'm a plaid girl. And then they had these Valentine ones, and this one has little glitter hearts on it too. I don't know if you can see that so well, but I was super excited and I thought, why not? And there's 12 foot of ribbon in each one of these things. So that was, I thought, a pretty good deal. And then for crafting, they had this. Now, I love any kind of a decor that's like a raw wood decor or metal or something that I can decorate the way I want. When I saw this, I was like, oh, I know exactly what I'm going to do with that. So I got it, and you'll see that hopefully pretty soon. I also got flowers. Now this was not $1.25. This was $3, but I do have something in mind for this to do. And I can't wait to do that. Okay. Then I got stuff that I wanted, like some surfaces to decorate. So I got a clipboard. I love decorating clipboards. And this is the time of year I start thinking about getting clipboards for like teachers because teacher appreciation. When I was teaching, I loved notebooks, clipboards, folders, anything to keep all those little papers like your attendance and all the things that you need. So I got that. $1.25, of course. And then I got these. They are a little cutting board, but I don't see a cutting board here. I see something I'm going to put in my Glowforge and engrave. I also see something that I might use some napkins on and decorate to put in like a little easel or something. So I got 2. I also got a couple of these trays, which I have a project for. It was the first thing that just jumped out to me, and I said, ooh, I need that. I had a napkin in mind. So, and then I saw these trays that I thought, ooh, that looks fancy. I know it's a dollar store, whatever. But I thought I could really make something look pretty classy with that. We'll see. Anyway, I got 2 of those also because I thought whatever I do, probably like it. And I don't want to have to go back. Then I got a bowl. And I, of course, have something in mind for this. But this is a really good quality bowl. I mean, it's thick. I expected for $1.25. I expected it to be kind of cheap, but it's pretty good and it's going to be fantastic for what I want to do with it. And then this, okay, was an impulse buy. So this is just a wire basket, and I debated on if I was going to get this, or they had like pin holders. And I'm going to decorate this up so that it doesn't look like just a wire basket. I'm going to do a tutorial to make it real pretty and something that you might use as a gift basket that someone would really want and want to keep. Besides that, when I look at these, I go, what can you put in there? I mean, look at all these wires and these big holes. So that's a little hint. I'll be fixing that part. So the next thing I got, I don't really know about this. This was definitely an impulse buy, but I saw this mirror and I thought, it doesn't have to be a mirror. I just saw something that looked like a really cool wall decoration. Maybe I'll keep it a mirror, but I doubt it. I really liked the outside of it. And so I just had ideas to paint it and maybe put a really cool picture on the inside or something. So I'll play with it and see if. Okay. I think this is the last thing I got. I got enough stuff, didn't I? I saw these little wire wreaths, and it came in a pack of 2. They had a big square one, and I am just envisioning a wreath with, or something, with one in the middle kind of hanging there. I don't know. It may work out. It may not. We'll see. It's all about experimenting, friends, and seeing what works out. I'm really sorry for that noise. And then I also got a larger round one. And last but not least, this was kind of my favorite thing that I found because I just thought it was super cute, and I've never done one like this. I see them done, but I've never done one. So they had a little bunny wreath. I thought it was super cute. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. Drop a comment below and let me know if you have any ideas for any of this stuff that I just got. Because like I said, some of it I just was like, maybe I could do something with that. So if you have ideas, put them in the comments below. And also, please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our page. Thanks again for joining. See you next time.